Yep. I'm about to make some chow mein. So I just wanted to show you guys because I don't really show much of my cooking on here. So I'm just frying up some chicken Guyana style. And I'll just do like a little montage of my cooking. So guys, this is the chicken chow mein. I'm done. I kind of already mixed and fried up everything. Just wanted to show you all. And I'm actually even done eating. I was like, I forgot to show you. That's how hungry I was. So this is my chicken chow mein. Hi guys, how you guys doing? I hope you're good. Today is content creation day. Today we're just going to utilize it to take some pictures for these glasses and then other stuff as well. I'm just dressed up. I did like a ponytail and got my hair and myself together. Ignore this, I just threw some clothes over there. And you see how clumsy I am. I got oil on my top already and then something splashed here. I don't even care. I'm just going to go like that. I'm wearing like this top, this pretty little top I got from Shein. I thought it was so cute. Like I like the design, and just a pair of jeans, and I'm actually wearing flats. I have some stuff I want to change, and I've not done my lip yet. My lip is kind of last and I'm already sweating. Oh my god, let me go and chill a bit. So meet you at Marriott Hotel.
My name is Ruth, and I'll be a server. I'll give you some time to browse the menu and I'll come back in 5 minutes.
Thank you. Hello everyone. So I am with give me a smile. So we are currently at the Marriott Hotel. It's so nice here. You know, we shall come here like every day. It's possible, just go there. Go close. Very pretty here. What I was planning was like you could video me, you know, like opening the box, then like bringing them out. These glasses are nice. Yeah, then bringing them out. Then I'll just display all 4 of them. Then I'll try all 4 of them. But and also like I want to make video and picture. This is like the main priority. But it's just what I want to just let you know. So like I think that's too much. Even the picture I took around the house, then we were like, you took some pictures around the house. So much. Have you picked something? Yeah, mangoes and that's the same thing I picked. Okay. So we can wait for you guys. Like pick something different so you can both see something. So taking content, take 1. You ready? Yeah, you could. If you could try to come closer to the box, let it be the box first, then you come out and then Can I see? Wait, was I thinking? Wait. If you want to make your video, you see it at the top there to be showing the timer. This is another video just now. You weren't? You didn't press the red button. I think I stopped what I was doing. Let me see. Okay. Unless it was the last one I did, the initial one, not this one. Oh, you weren't videoing? Just check and see if it's at the top. Alright, that's the first part. Let me see, can I see how it looks? My drink is here. My drink is here and her drink is here as well. So we've just done creating the first batch of content. I don't know, I didn't really get any photos with this. I don't know, but just the curve. So outfit number 1. This is what I'm wearing, and lovely one is helping me put on my shoes.
Hello guys.
So we're going to see if we could get some good pictures with this outfit. Yay!
Oh my goodness, this video is doing that. Okay, the camera, I remember this.
So this is outfit number 1 in our. We've already created content.
Is it video?
We probably pressed. Okay, it's recording. Sorry. So this is outfit number 2. We kind of already did some video content for the glasses and took some pictures. And now we're going to try to see where we could go and stay for this outfit. Hi guys, so we've taken some content. We've just been chilling and having a nice time here.
Okay.
And before they kick us out,
Hope not.
soon we'll be leaving. How you doing?
Hi there.
Leaving, wanna?
Bye. Bye there.
Bye bye.
I want to leave there though.
It's currently 2 a.m. and I just thought I would show you the chaos that is usually my apartment after I'm done filming. I was filming a shoe haul and I had to just kind of finesse my closet in a way to get the lighting and everything, so don't judge me. So this is like my setup. I had to just prop my studio light on the ground, and this is my camera kind of just propped up to the corner where I was filming. So yeah. Hi guys, so today I'm going out the house just to run some errands. I need to pick up a package from the shipping company I usually shop at. I also need to get some food and just go to the ATM. Nothing too serious, so come along with me. Just got out of the AC, collected my package. That is where I shop when I need to shop online sometimes. When I need to buy stuff online that doesn't ship to Guyana, that's where I go. So I just picked up a package from there. Headed over to Scotiabank to the ATM. Hi guys, so I just got back and I just picked up my package, got some food and went to the ATM. Now I'm going to eat because I haven't eaten all day, and then I'll probably show you some of the stuff I picked up as well.